Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an emergency oxygen mask from a bottle. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need a clean, empty 2-liter plastic bottle, which will form the main part of your mask. Also, have a pair of sharp scissors or a utility knife ready for cutting. Don't forget some strong adhesive tape, perhaps medical tape, and an elastic band or string for securing the mask. Finally, find a small, flexible tube, like aquarium tubing, for the oxygen supply. Now, let's prepare the bottle itself. Begin by carefully cutting off the bottom section of your 2-liter plastic bottle. Then, trim the bottle lengthwise so it comfortably fits over the user's nose and mouth, creating the mask shape. It's crucial to smooth all cut edges using tape or by gently sanding them down to prevent any irritation or injury. We want a snug, yet comfortable, fit against the face, covering both the nose and mouth completely. Next, we'll focus on airflow and securing your mask. Carefully create a small hole near the top of the mask, which is where your oxygen delivery tube will go. Also, make several tiny ventilation holes around the sides to ensure proper air exchange. Now, insert one end of your flexible tube into the designated oxygen hole and securely fasten it in place with strong adhesive tape to prevent any leaks. Finally, attach an elastic band or string to each side of the mask to create comfortable head straps. For the final touches, adjust the elastic straps to ensure a snug, yet comfortable, fit on the user's face. Double-check that the mask covers both the nose and mouth completely for effective delivery. It is vital to remember that this is an emergency, makeshift device and not a substitute for professional medical-grade equipment. Always seek professional medical assistance as quickly as possible. Your safety and proper medical care should always be the top priority in any situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.